Welcome everybody. With this channel I aspire to provide valuable information about the various ways of ancient holistic healing. My name is Vasi, I am certified MD acupuncturist and holistic healer. And if you all are in search for pure and natural ways of holistic healing, then you are in the correct channel. If you find these videos useful and you would like to know more secrets about natural ways of healing, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.